How to complete KYC verification on Cowrywise. Click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, you are going to see the different steps you have to take. You input your BV. On my account here, I've already done that. You input your NIN. After inputting it, it will verify your details, that your details matches with what is on record, and your NIN and BVN to matches. So you are going to see a list of different verification steps which you have to attend to step by step. So after doing all that, you'll be able to fill in your biodata, which will require for you to fill in your name, your address, your phone number, and everything that is required there. So after this, the percentage for your verification will change, and you can monitor your progress. So you can see on my screen here, tell us about yourself. That is your biodata. So you fill in everything that is required, your state, your local government, your address. You fill in everything that is required. So after that, you click on continue. Then you'll be asked some other question which you have to attend to also. So after doing all this, your progress will change to 100%. So these are the simple steps to take in order for you to complete your KYC verification. Thank you.